Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? In today's video, you will follow Ken and Ellie as they spend a whole day together. They go to a cafe, a shop, the library, the park, the station, and more. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What platform should Ellie go to for the train to Yokohama? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Ken. What is your name?
My name is Ellie. Nice to meet you, Ken.
Nice to meet you too, Ellie. Are you a student here?
Yes, I am. I'm a first-year student at this university. How about you?
I'm a first-year student too. That's great. Where are you from, Ellie?
I'm from Canada. I'm from a city called Vancouver. It's a beautiful city by the ocean. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. I grew up in Tokyo. Tokyo is very big and busy, but I love it. Do you like it here?
Yes, I do. Everyone is very kind and friendly. I really like this campus. The buildings are nice, and the park nearby is beautiful.
I'm glad to hear that. What are you doing today?
I have a class at 11. What about you?
I have a class at 10, so I don't have much time, but I really want to get some coffee first. There is a nice cafe near here.
A cafe? That sounds nice. I love coffee.
Really? Me too. Do you want to come with me? It's very close, so it won't take long.
Sure, let's go together. I also want something to eat. I'm a little hungry.
Great. They have good muffins and sandwiches there. Let's go.
Hello. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like a small or a large?
A small, please.
Okay. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Got it. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Can I have a blueberry muffin, too?
Of course. Good choice. Our blueberry muffins are very popular. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Okay. So a small coffee and a warm blueberry muffin. That's $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your coffee and your muffin. The muffin is nice and warm. Have a wonderful day.
Oh, it smells so good. Thank you very much. You too. Have a nice day. I got a coffee and a muffin. The muffin is still warm. Do you want some? I can share.
No, thank you. That's very kind of you. But I already had breakfast this morning. But it looks really delicious. What kind of muffin is it?
It's a blueberry muffin. I always get this one. It's really good. Do you like muffins?
Yes, I do. I love muffins. I like chocolate muffins the most. They are my favorite.
Chocolate muffins are good too. Do you like sweet things?
Yes, I do. I really like sweet things. I love cake, chocolate, and cookies. How about you? Do you like sweet things?
Yes, I do. I like cake and ice cream a lot. But my favorite food is not sweet. My favorite food is ramen.
Ramen. I love ramen too. It's so good. I tried ramen for the first time last year, and I loved it right away. Do you have a favorite ramen shop?
Yes, there's a great ramen shop near the station. Their tonkotsu ramen is amazing. We should go together sometime.
Tonkotsu ramen. I haven't tried that yet. I usually eat miso ramen. Yes, let's go together. I can't wait.
Sounds like a plan. So what else are you doing today?
Oh, that's right. I need to buy a notebook today. Do you know a good shop near here?
Yes, there is a stationery shop on the next street. It's very close. You can walk there in 2 minutes.
2 minutes? That's great. I'll go there now. See you later, Ken.
See you later, Ellie.
Excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm looking for a notebook. Where are the notebooks?
The notebooks are over there, next to the pens. We have many kinds. Big ones, small ones, and some with lines.
Oh, great. I'd like one with lines. Thank you. Let me take a look. Excuse me, I like this one. How much is this notebook?
That notebook is $3.
$3. That's a good price. I'll take it. And this pen looks nice too. How much is this pen?
The pen is $2.
I'll take the pen too, please.
Sure, so one notebook and one pen. That's $5 total.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a book about Japanese history. I need it for my class. Do you have any?
Japanese history? That's a great subject. Let me check for you. Yes, we have several books on that topic. They are on the second floor in Section B. You should find some good ones there.
The second floor, Section B. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need any help.
Excuse me, I found this book. It looks very interesting. Can I borrow it?
Yes, of course you can. Do you have your student card with you?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me scan it. Okay, you can borrow this book for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. When is it due?
It's due on March 15th. Please return it by that date.
March 15th. I understand. Thank you very much. I'll make sure to return it on time.
That's great. And if you want to keep it longer, you can come back and renew it.
Oh, that's good to know. Thank you for telling me that.
You're welcome. Enjoy the book.
Ellie, hi. Wow, it's so nice today.
Hi, Ken. Yes, it is. The weather is really beautiful today. I love sunny days like this.
Me too. Sunny days always make me happy. I want to be outside all day. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I do. I come here on weekends. I usually sit on this bench and read books. It's very relaxing. What do you do on weekends, Ken?
I usually play soccer with my friends on Saturday mornings, and on Sundays, I sometimes go shopping or watch movies. Do you like sports?
I like watching sports on TV, but I don't play much. I like running, though. I run in this park sometimes. What else do you like to do?
I like listening to music. I listen to all kinds of music, and I also like cooking. I cook dinner almost every day.
Cooking? That's really cool. I can't cook very well. I like watching movies and taking photos. Those are my hobbies.
That sounds fun. Taking photos? You should take photos in this park. The trees and flowers are really beautiful here, especially in spring.
Yes, you're right. This park is perfect for photos. I'll bring my camera next time. Oh, Ken, I need to go to the train station later today. I'm visiting my friend tomorrow.
Oh, that's nice. Where does your friend live?
She lives in Yokohama. I need to buy a train ticket.
Yokohama is a great city. There are many things to see and do there. You'll have a lot of fun. Have a good trip.
Thank you, Ken. Excuse me. I'd like to buy a ticket, please. One ticket to Yokohama, please.
Sure. One way or round trip?
Round trip, please. How much is it?
A round trip ticket to Yokohama is $12.
$12. Okay, here you go.
Thank you very much. Here is your ticket.
Thank you. Which platform should I go to?
Platform 3. Go straight ahead and then turn left. You will see a big sign that says Platform 3.
Go straight and turn left. Platform 3. Okay, I understand. What time does the next train leave?
The next train to Yokohama leaves at 2:15.
2:15. Got it. Thank you very much. Is the train usually on time?
Yes, our trains are almost always on time. Don't worry.
That's good to hear. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Excuse me, I need some help. My classmate has a headache. Do you have any medicine for headaches?
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Yes, we do have medicine for headaches. We have a few kinds. This one right here is very popular, and it works well.
Okay, that's good. How much is it?
It's $6.
I'll take it, please. How often should she take the medicine?
She can take one pill every 6 hours, but please be careful. She should not take more than 3 pills in one day.
One pill every 6 hours. No more than 3 pills a day. I understand.
That's right. And one more thing. She should take it after eating, not on an empty stomach.
After eating, not on an empty stomach. Got it. That's very helpful. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope your classmate feels better soon. If the headache doesn't go away, she should see a doctor.
I'll tell her that. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Hello, I need your help. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Can you help me?
Of course. Happy to help. What kind of gift are you looking for?
I'm not sure, actually. She likes cute and colorful things. She also likes fashion. Do you have any recommendations?
How about this scarf? It's very soft and warm, and it comes in many beautiful colors. We have blue, red, pink, and green.
Oh, wow! It is very soft. I really like the way it feels. How much is it?
It's $15.
$15. That's a good price. I'll take the blue one, please. Blue is her favorite color. Can you wrap it for me? It's a birthday gift.
Of course. I'll wrap it nicely for you. Would you like a ribbon too?
Yes, please. A ribbon would be lovely. Thank you so much.
No problem. Just one moment, please.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Here you go. All wrapped up. I put a ribbon on it too.
Oh, that's perfect. It looks really beautiful. She's going to love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm sure your friend will love it. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Ellie, hey! Today was a really fun day. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yes, it was. I had such a great time today. We did so many things. Thank you so much for showing me around, Ken. You are very kind.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot. I'm really glad we met today. It was so nice talking with you all day.
Me too. I hope we can meet again very soon. I had so much fun with you today. Let's meet again.
Yes, definitely. Let's meet again next week. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday. Let me think. Yes, I'm free on Saturday afternoon. What do you want to do?
Great. How about that ramen place near the station? Let's go eat ramen together.
Yes, I'd love that. I can't wait to try it. I've been thinking about ramen all day.
Me too. It's going to be so good.
Oh, Ken, let me give you my phone number. That way we can send messages and make plans. Here is my number.
Thank you, Ellie. And here is my number too. Please send me a message anytime.
I will. I'll send you a message tonight.
Sounds good. Okay, I should go now. It's getting late. See you on Saturday.
See you soon, Ken. I'm looking forward to Saturday. It's going to be so much fun. Bye.
Bye, Ellie. Have a good night. Take care. Get home safely.
You too. Good night, Ken.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What platform should Ellie go to for the train to Yokohama? Did you get it right? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even one short sentence is perfect. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories for beginners and lower intermediate learners. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.